So, tell me your favorite food. Never mind, I already know. It's the sandwich. Ours too. That's why we created a show called Make Me a Sandwich. What's it about, you ask? Well, we go to our favorite chefs like...
My name's Aaliyah Lee Kong.
My name's NoFX.
Small Tanaka, por favor.
Hi, I'm Nicole Fonseca.
Hi, this is Hong Tai Mi.
I am Joe Tobias.
I'm Paul from The Way We Ate.
My name is Sarah Gianchini. No, sorry.
And then we ask them to make us a sandwich.
And then we just make the sandwich?
Yeah, Jennifer Esposito. Then you make a sandwich like...
So we're gonna make a sausage sandwich.
We're gonna make a porchetta sandwich.
We're making a fried chicken sandwich.
Meatloaf sandwich.
Banh mi sandwich. I am going to make falafel nutter sandwich.
The Jose Dough Cubano.
A fried PB&J, except that there is no peanut butter or jelly in this.
I'm going to show you how to make a chicken satay sandwich. Come with me.
Okay, Hong Tai Mi. Why don't you show us what an episode's about? On this episode of Make Me a Sandwich, we visit co-creator...
There he is!
Chef Jeremy Spector.
What's up?
And grill him about the world's best hamburger. A burger so good that food deity Guy Fieri called it dynamite! We get the beef on his beef, tips on how to melt cheese, and what kind of buns he's into. So...
What are we doing? We're making a burger. Oh my god. Pornographic what's happening here.
we now bring you 15 seconds of sandwich porn. Brought to you by Make Me a Sandwich.
Don't be so sexy when you're spreading pate, man.
And that's it. And then you eat it.
Into their homes and kitchens, we get our chef's favorite mouth treats, unscripted, candid, and on the level. Asking the age-old question.
Why do you guys like sandwiches?
Like, it's your first out-of-the-house meal. Like, when you go to kindergarten, what's the first meal they give you? Is a sandwich, a PB&J. So the love affair starts early.
You give someone a sandwich that can't have a sandwich anymore, I've seen people cry. Like, I'm not exaggerating.
I think the most important part of a sandwich is the bread, actually. If you have shitty bread, your sandwich is gonna suck no matter what you put in it.
Sandwiches are just great. They're portable. They can be really simple and really elegant all at the same time. They're full of carbs, which taste good.
So come grab a bite with us while we have a little fun.
Hit it!
Okay.
So my grandfather used to have a delicatessen. Somehow we managed to piece together his old pastrami recipes. How hungry are you guys?
Hungry.
Alright.
The freaking thing doesn't even fit in my oven.
How famous is that burger?
This burger's pretty world famous. We have people literally come from all over the world.
I must have funny shaped hands because all mine kind of come out like UFO shaped, but...
It's because the taste is out of this world.
That was the best sandwich I've ever eaten. That's one of the best things I've ever tasted.
Yeah, I think you have won Make Me a Sandwich.
Yeah.
That's so good. It's crazy good.
Take a bow.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh my god, that's easy.
Super easy.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robby the Sammich Serrini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you and see you next time.
Oh, that's good. Sandwich Defender.